got a breach. We've got a breach in the hood vent. Oh no. Better get back. No! No!
What is going on, everyone? Welcome back to the channel. Today we're gonna be...
Take a look at this knucklehead over here. Don't even know how to record goddamn.
What are you doing?
Video. Look at him.
I'm recording a video. What are you doing?
I'm here because I don't think you can run a YouTube channel better than I can. So
I got this. The guy, they know who I am. They know what they're gonna get from me. They don't need you coming in here trying out your mumbo jumbo. All right? Just let me do what I do.
well, see, that's the problem. You don't know what you're doing. That's why I'm asking you to hand it over.
All right, fine. Just one time, and that's it.
All right now. Hello, good people of YouTube. I'm Simply Serrano's twin brother. I go by the name of Simply Sam. All right, today I came over to take over this here YouTube channel for this knucklehead because I couldn't let him mess this one up. All right, now I got to bring you good people of YouTube good content. Right now, it's a win-win situation. If you enjoy this video, you know I don't really come out here too often, but if y'all like to see me, Simple Sam, and these here YouTube videos, go ahead and leave a like, hit that like button, maybe even subscribe. Now maybe come back out here in the future YouTube videos. So, without further ado, let me tell you what we're going to do today. First of all, let me take off these shades. Y'all can see me a little bit better. I can see you, beautiful people. And don't be dumbfounded by my good looks. I know I get that a lot, but try to stay calm, pay attention to this video. This here video, it's going to be a good one, all right? So today, as you can see in the car here, let's open up this bad boy. This here JDM, more of a trucker guy myself, but whatever. It's not my car. We're just helping out today. We've got a bunch of cardboard in the back. Now what we're doing with this cardboard here, by the title of this video, if this knucklehead named it right, you should know we're going ahead making a cardboard body kit today. All right, can I get a round of applause? Thank you very much. I don't really come out here to do these videos. So that's how you know it's going to be a banger, as you youngins say. All right, so we'll go ahead and get you just a quick walkthrough of what I've got planned for today. Right, now if you come over to the front, we're going to change this whole dinghy up. We're going to add some nice vents for the airflow, so that engine on the inside can get more and better airflow. Unfortunately, this knucklehead went and bought an A version of this here S14. Oop, don't mind that right there. When there's a turbo model out there, don't ask me why he did that. I don't know. I'm just here to help. Personally, I would have got the turbo model. Now, making our way over here to the side skirts, since it already has a front lip, go ahead, throw on some side skirts, make it real nice and dirt nasty low. Am I right about that? Can I get an amen? Right. Come over to the rear. We'll go ahead, throw on this rear bumper here. And then, after that rear bumper, sorry, I've got all this luscious hair. Ladies get jealous a little bit. Got to take care of it. Now, after that rear bumper there, go on ahead, throw on what y'all youngins call that big wang gang. Now, I don't know why we're talking about wangs, but we'll go ahead and throw on that spoiler there. Maybe get a roof spoiler up here. Last but not least, then we get rid of these shabby fenders. Go ahead, throw some wide body fenders like a real man should. And yeah, so that's what we got planned for today. We're gonna take this car from ugly to beautiful. So if that sounds like it excites you, go ahead, stick around, grab some popcorn, eat some food. Today we're gonna have a good time, and we'll get right on started with this video now. All right, ladies and gentlemen, we made our way to the passenger side of this vehicle here. Okay, so we've got ourselves some Home Depot cardboard. All right, we got just the finest, rarest of all cardboard known to man. All right, now you just can't get this anywhere. I only make sure when I mess with my body kits that I make sure I get the nicest stuff. Yes, should you. As y'all beautiful people can see, this box right here, this ain't long enough to cover all that gosh darn space, right? Now, as little as these JDM cars may seem, don't let it fool you. This cardboard box, now, it ain't gonna fit, it ain't gonna work. But when you work with Simple Sam here, we make everything as simple as can be. All right, now that's why I've got this here box cutter. We're gonna expand it like I'm expanding my Papa Seed farm back home. We're gonna expand, all right? So, we'll go ahead, take care of that. That'll be step one, and I'm gonna show you how I do that right now. All right, now, boom, right here at the seam, we're just gonna come straight down. Boom, now just like that, you open that sucker up like a donut shop on Monday morning. Now, we're gonna get rid of all the excess that we don't need, like this down here, and these up here. Now that right there, something spot on. Now the next thing we're gonna do, we're gonna wanna get real precise with it. That's what we got these for, all right? Real up close and personal. And we're gonna use this bad boy right here. Make a nice outline, passenger side skirt, and we'll replicate it on this other side. It's not that hard, people back home. You can do this too. All you need is a couple of things: box cutter, cardboard, marker for the outlines, you people can do it. Now, I don't have no social medias or nothing like that, no Instagrams or chat snaps or anything like that, but if y'all got some amazing builds that y'all want to send me, well, send my not so good looking brother, Silvia Serrano. You can follow him here at JohnSerrano_, and he'll be happy to look at all your builds. Let's move on. Now that we've got our outline for the sucker, go ahead, we're gonna cut them out anime style. And boom, just like that, you got that there, some side skirts. So now we've got 2 sets of side skirts. We're gonna close this, right? We're gonna tape them up right on the sides. Well, hold on now, I'm talking too much. I'm gonna just show you good people what it's gonna look like. Ow. I mean, ew. Oh, God. What intonation? That's fitting right there. Don't let nobody else tell you different now. That right there is some good fitment. Oh, wait. Yeah. A little bit of shaving down on the sides. I think we good to go, folks. God darn, I think we good to go. Now, what we gotta do, rotate that on this side. Where should we go? Let's get to it, folks. See, dogger. Don't get much better than that, folks. Not much better at all, folks. Now that we've got our side skirts on, I think it's only appropriate to go ahead and do the hood piece on this. So I got to thinking now, we're doing one of them nice little hood vents, JDM style, but we throw that GTR R34. Y'all know what I mean once I start getting in the works of it, so. Yep, got it done. Man, she looks like I did it already. The hood vents, solid skirts. Now, I might have done something I wasn't supposed to do. I went ahead and I got some super glue on my twin brother's car here, but wait on you, won't hurt him. Alright, I'm gonna say that again. If y'all messing with me in this channel, like, if y'all liking this YouTube video, don't mention anything about this in the comments, alright? What he don't know won't hurt him. All that's left is we got that air roof spoiler, we got a regular spoiler, and the rear bumper. So go ahead, check this roof spoiler real quick, fast and easy. Go ahead, take a long strip of cardboard. Let's get it on there. Just like that, we've got a roof spoiler. Let's go ahead and take a look at this thing on the side view real quick. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, it's coming together. It's coming together real nice. Go ahead and get these last two ornaments on there. Man, my brother, you're gonna be proud. We're gonna need to make a cutout. Actually, this whole bumper's gotta get reduced to size. So then my wife tells me I have no problem doing it. Get them reduced to size, that is. She's no longer here with us. Make sure rest in peace her console. We go ahead and put that right there. Gonna make a cutout. The exhaust. We'll be good to go. That's a rear bumper if I ever done seen one. It's perfect. It's gosh darn perfect. It just don't get no better than that. Yeah. Bada bang, bada boom, baby. Wow. Now that just put that right there just put a tear in the grown man eye right there. Now that is just some fine craftsmanship. Finest craftsmanship you've ever gonna go and see. Oh man. I just want to say I am so proud of myself. I've been out here working hard where you're simply Serrano. Haven't been doing nothing. Inside, taking a break. I've been working hard. The sun is setting already. The sun is setting. Been out here hours putting in this hard work. But damn, is it worth it? Shit, dog. Is it worth it? Oh my gosh. You'll never gonna see another cardboard body kit that fine is like, hey, you know what? It really means a lot to me. Simple Sam. If y'all just go ahead, like, and subscribe on this video here. It just took me so much hard work to do this. And I really didn't think it was going to be that hard. And you know what? I just want to apologize right now. I tried everything I could to get a big wang on there. And it just won't happen. So, I apologize for that one. Y'all, I do. I really do. I'm so sorry. But, lo and behold, here is your cardboard body cake. Oh, I cannot get enough of this here body cake. TJ home. Do yourself a favor. Come do work with me, big dog. I think me and you, we've got a future together, buddy. We got a future. Take around back to the Applebee's rear bumper. Exhaust exit. We got the roof. Spoiler looking better than ever. Another side skirt, Simple Serrano decided to do him a favor. Give him a little shout out. Plug a little bro. Got the flames on the hood vent. Yeah. On the front there. Simple Sam, you know I had to leave my mark. But now, what good would this video do us if I didn't at least take it around the block? Let's go ahead, set everything up, and say how a Simply Sam body cake drives like it's supposed to drive. Party people, let's take this big girl around the block. Wrong way. I'm a truck driver. I don't drive these here JDM on the wrong side of the road. Top deals. It's coming off a little bit right there, but we saw so far so good. Uh-oh, we've got a breach. We've got a breach in the hood vent. Oh no. Better get back. No! Pull over. Oh no. Oh my gosh. What is happening? I worked too goddamn hard on this. I worked too hard. You know what? That's it. Get in the truck. Get in the truck. Get in the car. I'm taking this off. You're ruining it. Oof. Come on with me, come on. You want to stay on, you going in. Going in the car now. You is going in the car. Come on. Oh man. Ain't gonna make me look stupid. We got the neighbors here. Good afternoon. Yeah, not too bad. Making me look like like a darn punk. Get in here. Where'd the other piece go? Look at her all the way over there. Come here. Making me look like a goddamn square. Everything else still on though. Everything else still on, looking good. Ridiculous. I don't work this hard just for the paste to come off the car, alright? Hate on me if you want, but I work hard for what I do, and I love to do what I do. Bringing this back to the shop. I'm a little bit annoyed today after all that hard work. Somebody surrounded when he came out here. So, you know, I'm working hard out here, but when you ain't getting the recognition you deserve, and just things ain't going the right way, you know, it just puts a little grind in my gear. So, and I just work too hard for this. I work too hard. So, as you beautiful people can see, the integrity of the car is held up pretty well. Pretty darn well, if I do say so myself. I work pretty hard on this. So, if you want me, simply saying, come out, work on your car, just holler at my good brother, Simply Serrano over there. But I think that's a wrap for today's video, everyone. I do truly thank y'all so much for coming out and watching today's video. Appreciate it that y'all take time and watching my video on Simply Serrano's channel. He's a good dude. Go ahead, give him a like, follow, and subscribe, or just even like, follow, and subscribe that I showed up today. Go ahead, comment down below what y'all think of the cardboard body kit. Let me know how you think I did. Yeah, just let me know down in the comments below. If y'all want to see me back here again sometime, I would love to do that. I love getting in front of this camera thing here. I think I'm beautiful. I think, you know, I think this channel could really benefit from me being here more often. So I'll go ahead. Maybe I'll talk to Simple Serrano over there and maybe get him